Hey guys, welcome to Philadelphia and welcome to another video here on our channel. Today we're going to be showing you the Residence Inn by Marriott here in Philadelphia, Bala Cynwyd. This hotel is located just by Wissahickon and also City Line Avenue. So it's surrounded close by lots of restaurants and a lot of things to do, such as trails and walking park and everything else. So we want to bring you this hotel review to you and show you what this hotel is all about. We'll show you the lobby, the food, the room, and everything else that it has to offer. So let's get started. If you're new to our channel, welcome, and thank you for those who've been with us since the beginning. Here at the Ponds Adventure, we provide you with flight and hotel reviews to be able to help you to travel better, and also some safety tips and vlogs to help you maximize your trip. If this type of content interests you, consider subscribing. The Residence Inn by Marriott in Philadelphia, Bala Cynwyd is located just minutes away from the City Line Avenue and Wissahickon. It's surrounded by the beautiful nature and Schuylkill River. The hotel has a rustic and industrial design that you can see throughout the property. On the outside, there are a variety of seating spots that gives the nature vibes, especially on a sunny day. This hotel has been open for about 3 years now, but it still looks very much like it's just opened. There is a restaurant and a bar also available for guests here. I imagine that the outdoor space is utilized for music, games, and fun when it's not raining. As we continue to admire this beautiful hotel, let's talk about parking. Most of the hotel around Philadelphia charges a fee for parking that can go up to $60 per night. However, up to this point, the Residence Inn does not charge for parking, which is a great feature for guests. Knowing that I don't have to pay for parking already calms down all the anxieties. Another great feature when it comes to parking, for those of you who drive electric vehicle, fear not. The hotel provides electric vehicle chargers for all EV types. Let's now head inside and explore the lobby, and I will speak about the check-in experience and with the front desk staff. When entering this lobby in the hotel, it does not have the feel of Residence Inn, rather a luxurious hotel. From its decor and the ambience, you will think that you're staying at the Marriott or JW. I truly hope that this is the design that Marriott is going to implement at all of their Residence Inn around the US and hopefully around the world. As you know by now, that on this channel we like to bring you a realistic review of our stay, and we don't get paid to provide these reviews to you. The hotel also has no knowledge of us recording this, so your support is really that drives this channel. Whether it's liking the video, commenting, sharing, or subscribing, it allows our content to be shared with many more friends. Therefore, your like is appreciated. For our check-in experience, it was great and painless. The person checking us in was nice and courteous. However, the morning crew was a different experience. I tried speaking to them and they seemed not interested in talking and rather showed attitude towards me. Again, we like to give people the benefit of the doubt. We tried again to communicate with them during the checkout and the same experience, not even interested in asking us how our experience went. Again, this is the people working in the morning and it may not reflect the entire hotel staff. At one point, when she saw me recording and asking me what I was doing, I simply told her, "Recording your beautiful hotel." She looked annoyed and walked away. Anyways, let's move on to the hotel breakfast, where the experience was a lot better when it comes to customer service. Now, to be fair, we went to the restaurant during a really busy time and they were getting ready to stop serving breakfast, which is 6 to 9 a.m. on weekdays and 6 to 10 a.m. on weekends. So we didn't have the opportunity to record much of the food here due to the food traffic, but I must say they had decent spread of items. Now to the customer service I spoke about. Miss Helen was one of the reps at the kitchen during breakfast. She and others were still amazing and had great customer service, even with a lot of people there last minute. Later, after breakfast was over, I went over to record the kitchen area. She simply asked me if I was recording her beautiful kitchen. I said yes, and she said, "Go ahead, baby." I chatted with her briefly, and she asked me if we enjoyed our stay and invited us to come back in the future to enjoy more of the hotel. This is something that was missing from the front desk morning personnel, someone who truly cares about her job and customer satisfaction. I hope there are more people like her. Now let's move on to the other amenities available here at the hotel. The hotel offers gym, pool, and a game room. As for the gym, it was nice size and it contained lots of workout equipment. Next to it, you have the pool area. I didn't have the chance to use this indoor pool, but it was a really nice feature given that it can be utilized year-round, especially for families traveling with the little ones. There's also a game room available with the foosball table, video games, and more. Really cool room for teenagers or if you're looking for a place to chill. Now let's migrate to the room. When I booked the hotel, I booked the standard room. A few days before our stay, we were upgraded to one bedroom suite with the double beds. So this was a great gesture of the hotel thanks to my status with Marriott Bonvoy. The room is composed of 4 main areas: the kitchen, the dining area, the living room, and finally the working area. This space is super functional, especially for a family. Let's start with the kitchen. The kitchen was large and contained lots of amenities that one will need during their stay, especially if they will be cooking meals. You have pots, pans, utensils, plates, and more. There is also a full-size dishwasher, refrigerator, and microwave. As for the stove, there were 2 burners. The kitchen looked modern and gorgeous. The dining area was also great, containing 4 chairs for a family of 4 to enjoy meal times. As for the living room, you have the couch and TV area. The TV was about 55 inches, and the couch can become a sleeping area as you can convert it to a bed. Finally, you have the desk area for those of us who travel sometimes for work and looking for a space to do work from the hotel room. The whole area is really functional and gives the vibes of being at home and not at a hotel. The bedroom was spacious for us. Although I would much rather have preferred a king room given that I was traveling just with my wife. But we won't complain since it was a free upgrade. The beds were comfortable and allowed for a great sleep. The only downside about this particular room, it faces the train tracks, so when the freight train is passing by in the morning, you can hear that. So for light sleepers, I will ask to be in the room facing the river. As for the power outlet, the room had plenty of those for you to be able to charge your devices. There is also a closet. The closet contained the ironing board, and a safe for you to keep your important belongings. There's also extra storage area with drawers. Now to the bathroom. This bathroom was large, although it only contained 1 sink, but it was functional during our stay. It had lots of towels available and stand-up shower was a plus. overall this was a great stay with minor issues that we mentioned around the front desk staff attitude and the train noise. I definitely recommend this hotel for your next Philadelphia adventure.
Thank you again for watching this video. If you did enjoy watching this video, smack that like button. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. Thank you again for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.